Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment in Bullocks Repair, Philippines. If you're a fan like I am of instant cameras, vintage instant cameras like the Kodamatic 960 instant camera, here is an issue if you have it. It's a common issue. The one with the electronic flash, it's an automatic camera from back in the day, alright? So let's say you put your batteries in it, turn it on, and the battery spins and spins and spins. The motor rather spins and spins and spins and just won't stop. What is that issue? Well, first I'm going to let you know what it sounds like on my end to compare it to yours, and we'll move further. Alright, so those of you who don't know, the battery compartment right here, you had to slide it back and flip it up. Alright, pull back the ribbon. You can see the battery compartment right here. Flap that back down. And get the batteries in properly. And the minute you get it in there, you're going to hear that spin. Alright. That's what you're hearing, and it will not stop. Okay, so what is the issue? Well, I'm about to show you. Okay, so you're going to need a star screwdriver is what you're going to need. Okay? You have two screws up top. 1 and 2. And you'll have to remove those. I would highly suggest you not do this. You send your camera to a service technician for repair, because you can shock yourself with these cameras that have a flash inside. They have to be diffused. These point and shoot cameras. Alright. There's one. And there's two over here. This is a common issue with these automatic vintage cameras. Alright, there's those two. Next. Okay, once those screws up top are removed, this top has to be removed, and the technician has to be careful, because you can get shocked. Pull it straight off like that. Alright? Out of the way. So you don't want to touch, in these cameras with built-in flash, this in the flash area. Alright. Each time you put a battery in there, alright, got it detached. Alright. So I had it detached from here. Alright. Then you pull this off. You pull this off. This is the flash area, okay? See how dirty it is and that type of a thing, okay? That's one area, that's just the flash area. That's not your main issue. Main issue over here is this side. Let's flip that around. Not touch that flash area. You have two tabs here. One and two. Pull those back. Aim it down, because when you do, there's going to be these plastic pieces all inside there, like this. Those are gear pieces. That's what that is. See all that? Those are cracked gears. What has happened, those gears are just fragile. And if you look down here, you'll see some of those pieces on this gear. See it? And here's the motor. So what's happening is this motor is spinning and doesn't have the other gear to make contact with. It has become brittle and broken. So therefore this motor continues to spin. And that's the problem right there. See those pieces right there? That was a gear. If you can find those to be replaced, that's great. I can put a link of a company who makes camera gears and gears for other vintage items such as VCRs and stuff like that, vintage movie cameras and point and shoot cameras, in the description. Alright, so there you go. There are the gear parts, the pieces, and you'll get this problem a lot. This motor will continue to spin because there's no other gear there, and that's it. That's the issue. So there you have it. Kodak Instamatic Kodamatic 960 from back in the day. It's a cool camera. I like it. Flip it up and you're ready to go. Alright, so there you go. And what's great about these is there's someone actually making adapters for stuff like this today. And you can use Instax film, I believe it is. And it'll be the slender one. Be great if they have the wide. Alright? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.